Exercise number 6. Start. We are not going to acquire anything unless it comes in the way of our planning. Full stop. The idea, which is sometimes put forward by some honorable members opposite, that a kind of general scheme of nationalization would bring about great equalization, is incorrect. Full stop. Drastic equalization is that way simply means equalization of the lowest stage of poverty. Full stop. That is not good enough. Full stop. We want to raise our country's standards and yet bring about this equalization so that we can go towards an egalitarian society. Full stop. The whole idea of nationalization does not come into the picture of at all except that when planning requires that some strategic point which comes in its way should be taken possession of the state should control it. Full stop. Otherwise the state should go ahead and build up new state plants. Full stop. The public sector becomes bigger and more important and productive, letting the private sector advance simultaneously. Full stop. If the public sector is eating into the private sector, there is no total advance, even though there might be some advantage from the social point of view. Full stop. We shall only be losing our resources by shifting a factory from the private to the public sector. Full stop. Next paragraph. The house will forgive me if I often talk about atomic energy. Full stop. I do that because I wish people to realize how the whole basis of our future industrial living pattern affected by the advent of steam and electric power. Full stop. The atomic atomic power in the next 10, 15 or 20 years will make a vast difference to the running of all your factories. Full stop. This is another reason why we should not go about wasting national resources in mere acquisition of property when we can build other plants which are more modern. Full stop. Next paragraph. And if we have to acquire property, we should pay just and equitable compensation. Full stop. There may be many rich men owing these interests, but many of these large properties are limited liability companies with a large number of shareholders. Full stop. We do not wish to deprive them. I therefore say again that all this apprehension is completely misplaced. Full stop. It ignores not only existing conditions in India but the probable future line of advance. Full stop. Next paragraph. We talk about a socialist pattern of society, industrialization, the removing of unemployment of higher standards and so on. Full stop. What is really necessary is somehow to activize and dynamize the base of the Indian social structure. Full stop. I want the house to appreciate this phrase. Full stop. No doubt there must be approaches from the top, but there has been too much activizing from the top layers to full